today's readings, both of them speak about consequences of being a follower of Christ, of being a disciple, of being an apostle, of being a Christian. And what are the consequences? Jesus speaks about flogging, about dragged before governors, about persecutions, about hatred, about you being discarded, being neglected, and so on. When you look at church history, from time Christ came in the world, this has been the case. Christ himself was put to death because he stood witness to the truth. We have John the Baptist who was beheaded. Then we have the apostles who went from place to place preaching. They were crucified, put to death, and so on. And we had the feast yesterday of the Japanese matters. We have the feast today of Gonzalo Garcia. We have everywhere, even today, for the Stan Swami who died a couple of years back, standing for the Christian values. So anyone who wants to be a follower of Christ has to bear the consequences. But Jesus did not be afraid at that time if you stand for your values. Because he says it's not you who will be speaking, telling about your proclaiming your faith, but the Spirit within us will talk and bear testimony.